Hey guys, it's been an exciting life for me personally as well as professionally because being an entrepreneur and a model brings out the best in me. Business and modeling are two different ends of a spectrum, but after breaking every stereotype, I have reached at a stage where I can proudly manage both with absolute ease. I have always believed in breaking the code and paving my own path. Similarly, Orchids The International School helps the students to think out of the box and turn the ordinary into extraordinary. A great school can lay the foundation for a better tomorrow. It helps in the holistic development of your child and makes them responsible citizens. For further info, check out the link below.